Everyone, so if you own a Tesla or specifically Tesla Model 3, well, it is valid for Tesla Model Y and others. I have this 2020 model, and I have this error that says um, electrical system is unable to support all features, and electrical system backup power is unavailable, and schedule service to replace low voltage battery. Just to let you know that I have already taken the 12 voltage battery out, but and I have put it up for charging because this Tesla model was it was left here fully charged, but it left here for a prolonged period of time, like a couple of months. And if you don't drive your Tesla for a couple of months, what really happens is your 12 voltage battery doesn't automatically charge. Maybe it's a bug in other electric vehicles that I have, and the main high voltage battery continues to charge the 12 voltage battery, but sometimes there's a glitch or something, because of which the 12 voltage battery would no longer charge, and it falls below a certain critical level, like maybe it falls below 12 volts or lower, and the Tesla system will no longer detect it properly. So what happens in that case? Even if you replace the battery, the problem will not be solved. Even if you buy a new fully charged battery, or if you buy a new battery and charge it for the same spec, and if you plug it in, it will not recognize it properly. So it will not recognize it. It will continue to give you an error, and even if you restart by pressing these two buttons simultaneously, the problem will not go away. So I will tell you a solution for this, so just stay tuned and I will demonstrate exactly how to fix this. I have fixed this issue before. I'm going to attempt to fix it again, but then I had to leave my Tesla for a couple of months, standing still, and not moving at all, not driving at all, and as a result this issue has come again. So I have taken out a 12-volt battery out from the main frunk, and I have put it up for charging. It has been charging for a couple of hours now, and mind you, I'm talking about the low voltage 12-volt battery. That's very small battery that we have in the front. As you can see, front is open. So I'll show you in a minute. Just stay with me, and I'll show you how to fix that problem. So I'm going to open my Tesla vehicle, and I have already removed the cover, and I have taken the 12 voltage battery out from here. But attaching it again, even if it is fully charged and of the correct spec, will not solve the problem. So what will solve the problem? The problem solution is here. Let's just cut here. We're not going to cut it because, well, in modern Teslas, in newer models like 2021, 22, or European models, there is a clip over here, and that clip can be plugged in or plugged out. But over here there is no such clip because this is probably a Japanese variant. And what we need to do here is we need to take out these wires. There are three wires inside, and we have to cut them and leave the system like that for around 5 minutes, and then we have to connect them again. Of course, over here we'll have to uh, solder them, desolder them, so cut them and resolder them properly in order to get them working. So only do this if you know how to solder this, and you must use proper installation equipment, and you must be properly grounded, and you must be wearing special kind of boots so that there is no risk of electric shock. So I'll show you in a minute. I had done this repair a while back and the issue was fixed, but then I had to leave the car idle for a couple of months again, so the issue has resurfaced again, uh, because of the low voltage battery. So I am going to plug this again and show you how to fix that problem. So stay with me. Okay, so as you can see, these are the three wires I previously cut, and then I had to solder them, and I applied the heat sleeves and everything in a proper way. So I have to repeat the process, but the critical bit is I have to connect the 12-volt battery first, and then I have to do this. But I have to cut these wires first, connect the 12-volt battery, and then resolder them. So this is how it's gonna work. So let me do this and show it to you, and then we'll move forward. Okay, so I have disconnected all these three wires, and I have this one is the HV high voltage battery. Usually some people say that you only need to disconnect this one, but I disconnect all three just to make sure that this is properly reset. The battery is in place. Now I'm going to plug in the battery, and after that I will solder these points and heat sleeve them, and then I'll show you how it looks like. Thank you. Now, so I have connected to a 12-volt battery. It is around 13 volts at the moment because it is fully charged, and the wires are still disconnected, so I'm going to connect them one by one. First of all, I'm going to connect the red and yellow ones, and at the end I will connect the thick one, which is the orange one. But I have to make sure that I have to put the sleeves on first, and then I'll solder them. So I'll show you in a minute. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I have resoldered them and I have applied the sleeves, and now I'm going to show you if the alerts are gone or not. So I have this alert that says paired charging unavailable, and if I just close this, there are no active alerts over here, and if I click on this, nothing happens. Notifications, no, there is no alert that I know of. And there is notifications, there are no active alerts. Okay, so this was the previous alert. Electric system is unable to support all features, and it has been fixed, and there are no active alerts now. So this is how you fix the Tesla VCFRONT a192 electrical system is unable to support all features, and schedule service to replace low voltage battery. Well, my battery is alright. I just didn't use the car for a couple of months, and that is the solution. And I hope you liked this video. Thumbs up and subscribe and show your support. Thank you. Bye bye.